This video will show you the basic setup of the Acasi label, Trulabeler. After you wind the label roll into your head, you need to set up gap and speeds. So your run off, everything's off. So let's set up a label. You're gonna set up label and follow the menu. You press label head, set up on. Afterwards, you'll press bring label to gap. That will move your labeling head to the gap. After it's been set to the gap, you jog your label where you want the pickup to occur. So this will move the labeling head when I press it. And I stopped it there. This is pretty much counting the pulses after it reads the label where you want to stop. After that, you press save position after gap. So after you read the gap, it counted 637 pulses. I saved the position. So right now, I have 637. So every time the machine is working, it reads the label gap and it stops 637 pulses afterwards, okay?